Yes. Harap lang po tayo sa judges. And then, when you tell your number, then you can go to your seat na po.
Yeah, they're telling their number and
Just the number. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Your number, tita.
I'm number 13. I'm Marlinda Candelario from Grand Valley Phase 3. Thank you.
One more. Thank you, tita. Alright, thank you, tita. And next?
Number 15, Marisa Maramba. I'm 67 years old from Grand Valley Subdivision, Carnation Street.
Thank you, Tita Effie.
Miley Saison, number 7.